Hi everybody, this is Martin Waring with Lone Yap Mortgage. This week's tip, I want to talk to you about your homeowner's insurance. Yes, I know, I'm in the mortgage business and I'm speaking about homeowner's insurance. But in Florida, they have recently had many problems with companies going out of business and premiums skyrocketing, and most of my clients don't understand why. Well, when we get back, I'm going to show you what the difference is with a live example. Yes, it's actually my mother's policies for this year and next year with the same exact carrier. Hi, Mom. And I'll show you how to get in front of the curve and how to shop appropriately before your X date. Next.
I grew up in Louisiana where lagniappe was a cultural way of life, an unexpected gratuity or something extra. I have lived and raised my family in Florida for over 30 years and take that same approach to helping others with the most important loan in their lives. I'm just living the dream.
Hi everybody, welcome back. As promised, I'm going to show you a live example. Here's Mom's house. Hi Mom again. I just want to show you the side-by-side comparison. Current policy and renewal. I took the agent out and I took the name of the carrier out, but you can see that it's the exact same, and I'll tell you the differences in coverage and you'll see the difference in premium. So I'll put them up behind me, but the bottom line is my mom's current coverage was $332,000. They want new coverage of $416,000. The current premium that's going to expire was $34.79. The new coverage is $62.54. So we have a 25% increase in coverage or needed coverage for 80% increase in cost, which is crazy. I'm not blaming anyone, I'm just telling you these facts. So we went out shopping because that's what we need to do before our policy expires. And we got a quote for $2,200 as long as we have a positive inspection report, 4-point and wind mitigation. So one of the key things to know is, when does your policy expire? Normally that expires on the anniversary date of when you purchased the home, because that's usually when you started your homeowner's insurance to begin with. So a good rule of thumb is to be 30 to 45 days out in advance. Normally you get some type of understanding from your agent. And if you're shocked by that payment, ask your agent what you might be able to do to get in front of the curve. We went shopping independently, but the bottom line is it's okay you're just trying to find your best carrier for the best cost. So one of the big reasons that we've had this huge jump is a lot of litigation, a lot of lawsuits about roofs and pipes and all kinds of things. But I can tell you what happens is that older homes get surcharged. They have higher claim ratings, so the bottom line is they're more expensive to insure. So a good example is I called my agent. She said, I can't give you any specifics, but let me give you a baseline. The baseline is $400,000 in coverage. And if the house was built in 1965 and has a good wind mitigation and a 4-point inspection with a good roof, it's $2,870 as the base. If the exact same home was 2005 with the exact same coverage, with a newer roof, good wind mitigation, and 4-point inspection, $2,100. If the house is brand new, obviously we don't need any inspections because it just came out of the box, $1,100. So over 2.5 times more expensive just because the house is older. So these inspections are very very important. So let's talk about the 4-point. The 4-point inspection itself is the roof, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. These costs for these two reports run from $150 to $300. So I'll show you one that's $169, but the bottom line is normally they run about $200 to $250 for the package deal. And the 7 areas of the wind mitigation, you'll see this on these companies, would be the construction year, the roof covering, what type of roof, shingle, tile, etc., the roof decking underneath, the roof to wall attachments, the roof geometry, the secondary water resistance, and the opening protection. You'll see me post them up with the little diagrams above. That'll kind of give you a good idea as to what they're going to be looking for. But here's really the tip. Get in front of the curve. Get 45 to 60 days in front if you can. Know when your policy is going to expire. Talk to your insurance agent. Have a relationship with them. Have them shop for you every single year to do a comparison. You might need to get your home inspected every single year, especially if it's older, because the more risk you reduce from the insurance carrier, the less likelihood there will be a claim and the lower your premiums will be. I hope that helps you a lot, and I'll see you next time.
I hope you got a little lagniappe or something extra from this show. Helping others is my way of giving back to an industry that has blessed my family for over 30 years. There is a little Louisiana in all of us. Merci and laissez le bon temps rouler. In other words, thank you and let the good times roll.